On most occasions, people have always viewed the competitor as enemies in business. While this is not the case, with Instagram marketing, your competitors can turn out to be your most valuable allies. The fact that they might be promoting and selling the same product and services as you own does not necessarily mean you should hate them. You can take advantage of their presences in your market niche to achieve your promotional effort on Instagram. With a cordial relationship with your competitors, you are able to leverage their support and use their existing networks to your advantage. Partnering with your competition in an attempt to meet a marketing goal on Instagram can involve reaching out to them with the aim of cross-promoting each other's brand. While this is properly executed, it amounts to a win-win situation in which everyone gains on comparatively equal proposition. It's important to know that this intuitive skill kills two birds with a single stone because it not only enhances the Instagram visibility of both brands involved, but also reinforces a sense of togetherness in the business niche despite being evident competitors. Drawing from this, you can further your business promotional efforts on Instagram by partnering and cross-posting content on both your pages. Partnering with your competitor with the intention of cross-posting each other's content on Instagram page is a clever over more of achieving marketing objectives on Instagram. Noteworthy, this strategy might pose a myriad of challenges if not handled with care. For example, the partnering brands must share common interests, which are increasing their visibility on Instagram. In addition to that, both brands must have related product and service. This is required in order to enable the participating brands to make relevant posts on their Instagram page. On the most of the relevant prevalent disadvantage that come with these initiatives is the fact that one brand might have a limited number of following, while the other might have enormous following. In this case, one of the brands will gain more from the other's promotional efforts.